Let's apply beautiful nails together now. First, clean off any adhesive from the nail pieces using a disinfecting wipe to remove any oils or residue. Before applying, make sure your hands are clean and dry. This will help ensure a secure bond with your nails. Use the flat side of the nail removal stick to gently scrape off any dead skin around your nail bed. Then, use the buffer to smooth the nail bed and the nail surface. This step will help the jelly sticker adhere more securely to your natural nails and make the press-ons look more natural when applied. Next, apply the jelly stickers. Choose one that is approximately the same size as your natural nail. Secure the nail piece in place and push from the center outward, removing any air bubbles. Make sure the sticker tightly to your nail. Gently peel off the protective film. The nail pieces have numbers inside. Locate the end without numbers and place it about 1 to 2 millimeters from the nail's root. It also protects the skin at the base of your nail and ensures a painless experience. Finally, push the nail piece all the way to the very top of the nail, much like applying a screen protector on a phone, pressing it gently in a circular motion for 10 seconds, while simultaneously pushing it inward until the nail piece securely locks in place, showing no signs of loosening.